All right, like I said, the first thing you want to do before you start touching and digging into your brakes, or even before you get your car up on jack stands, is you need to put your truck in brake maintenance mode. And it's not as easy as going into your dash and flipping brake maintenance mode on. So here's how you do it. First thing you want to do is go ahead, turn your truck on. Then you want to hold the gas pedal down. Then the next thing you want to do is push your emergency brake down. Hold those two down, turn the truck off, turn it back on, and then release them. Once you release them, that should send your truck into a whole bunch of things, but this basically now shows that we're in brake maintenance mode. All right, so now we're gonna take the truck out of brake service mode. So the first thing we're gonna do is turn the ignition on. We're gonna push the gas down. We're gonna pull the e-brake this time. Then we're gonna push the brake down. We're gonna let go of that. Then we're gonna turn the ignition off, still holding gas and pulling on the e-brake. Then we're gonna turn it back on. And that should take us out of brake service mode. And there you go.